Hi guys, how are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to unbox a wireless charger camera. This one. Wireless charger camera. This one. Wireless charger camera. Wireless charger camera. Keep your eye on what you care about the most. So what is this? Just connect the wireless charger Wi-Fi camera to your Wi-Fi network, and you can use all free apps to monitor your home or office on your smartphone or tablet. On the picture in this side, it shows a clear picture of this camera. As you can see, this picture shows exactly the same appearance with the wireless charger. Yes, that's true. It's a wireless charger, and at the same time, it is also a hidden camera. It has a hidden camera inside. So you can see here, wireless charger camera, Wi-Fi camera with night vision. Watch your home on your smartphone or tablet from anywhere. In this side, it shows the connection. Use the Wi-Fi router. Connect this wireless charger camera to Wi-Fi router, so you can use your smartphone or tablet to watch the live video. In this side, it shows some features of this camera. Fluent detailed video and sound, wide angle video, easy mobile device setup. Night vision infrared lets you see clearly when there is no light or little light. Mobile device recording save live video to smartphone or tablet directly. In the other side is it shows system requirements and picture includes. As you can see, this picture shows professional Nest products. Okay, I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to unbox it. Open it. Wow. Important. So it's a reminder card. It shows important tips. Currently, this device will record only video and no audio. Something like a compliance with local laws. So in default, it will not record audio. However, it teaches you how to enable the audio recording if there is no compliance problems in your local laws. Anyway, I will enable it. A quick installation guide. Something like the specification and the user manual teach you how to set up step by step. Wireless charger camera with a USB cable, wireless charger here, and hidden camera here. You can see, as you can see, it's really hard to find really hard to find the hidden camera. Let's remove this protection layer. It's harder to find the hidden camera. We will find it later. Let's look at the bottom. One label named Open. Okay, open it. TF card. You'll see TF card. And used to insert the TF card and reset button. Another label shows the QR code with a unique identifier number. And one USB charger adapter. This is all of the stuff in this package. Wireless charger with hidden camera, USB charger adapter, quick installation guide, reminder card. Okay, let's connect it. Connect to a USB adapter. To power. Okay, it's power on. First of all, we need to download the app. So where to download the app? From the menu, we can find there's a section to install. There's a section to introduction to how to install the apps. The app's name is IoT Living. Okay, and also there's two QR codes. So we can use this IoT Living to search, or we can just scan the QR code. Okay, I will use the QR code scanner to scan the QR code. Okay, you can see it. We find from the Google Play IoT Living. So we can install. Sign in to install. Now it's downloading and installed. Or you can search from the Google Play IoT Living. After you install, you will find the icon here, IoT Living. So open it. Build your smart life. So at the first time to running, it will pop out to ask for the permission, for storage permission, allow, and microphone permission, allow, camera permission, location permission. Okay, so we enter into the main interface. So this is the main interface, and it's black now. So we add new equipment first ad. So this is a wireless charger camera. So it indicates it supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, not support 5G. So make sure your mobile is connected with 2.4 Wi-Fi. Okay. So just name the device. Okay, I name it living room. So device configuration. This is the steps. You can find the QR code, input password, and configure. Okay, we continue. Okay, yes. Wi-Fi SSID. Input your Wi-Fi SSID. And password. This is your local Wi-Fi. Now it's configured. It will take some seconds. It shows connecting to your device in about 60 seconds. Please wait. Okay, configure success. As you can see, this is a picture. So we play. The device is default password. So you can change the password. No, I don't change. Just use the default. Just use the default. Okay. As you can see, the camera is in this part. This part. I had it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I can for the full screen. This is text snapshot. Text snapshot and record. This is recorded to my mobile. Okay, stop. It's the LD, and you can change it to HD. This is HD. The same snapshot, and recording, and storage. So this is the picture I just take, and the video. Download. This is the TF. So if you have inserted the TF card inside, it will show the all the recording will be saved in the TF card. Okay, back to the main menu. So here, just set up. So record set. You can set the recording mode. You can use alert. Just alert means you can use the motion detection. You can alert or full time off, make it recording all the time, or no linear recording, just manually control. Normally we set the alert. And motion detection setting. So the motion detection sensitivity, you can in default is the medium. You can set high or low. And the motion zone, just have some options is for your quick setting, all area, left area, or right area. This one is message push. Message push means when it detects the motion, it will send the message to you. Okay, save. For example, it shows the message motion alert. Motion alert means it has detected the motion. Okay, because I'm here and it always detects the motion. You can click the alert notification and go to the live streaming. We will see if there's any other settings. Video flip. So vertical flip, flip mirror. Normal, we just use the normal. The display, head display. You can see there's no display, no time display, and the volume, time zone. You can see time zone. Reset is setting reset to the default, factory default. Reboot this camera. Okay, this is the main feature, main function, main setting for the setting for this camera. For the wireless charge, you just put your camera on this charge and it will start to charge. And of course, your mobile need to support the charge. For example, my mobile is not support the charge, so it's not charging. And this camera supports the night vision, so even if there's no light, it still can even there is no light in the night, it still can record, can monitor. Okay, I will turn off the light and show the night vision. Okay, it's almost 6 p.m. now. It's becoming dark, so as you can see. As you can see, the image is becoming to black and white. But what the difference is between other cameras is this camera, the infrared is invisible. You cannot find the infrared. There's no light there. Okay, I will take a picture. So if you take a picture, use your phone, take a picture, you'll find that there's two infrared there. Okay, this is the unboxing and setup for this wireless charger camera. It is a wireless charger for your mobile, and meanwhile, it is also a hidden camera to protect your family, protect your home, protect your office. How do you think it? Hope you like it. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave your comments here. I'm David. Thanks for watching.